If you're a cat lover, then you need to see this. We're putting cat toys to the ultimate test. Today, we're diving into the ultimate cat challenge. Can my cat catch the laser? Versus trying different cat toys. First up, the laser pointer. Watch those kitty paws go wild. Next, we have the classic feather wand. Look at that cat leap. Now let's see how they react to the jingly ball. Oh, the suspense. And finally, the catnip mouse. Instant favorite or total flop? Comment below and tell us, which toy do you think is the winner? Is your cat team laser, feather, ball, or catnip? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more perfect fun. Let's get those whiskers twitching.